Hi all! Welcome back ulit sa ating video, and for today's content, another camera review na naman tayo, but this time, doon naman tayo sa budget-friendly ng mga iPad. So we have here iPad 10th Gen. So this is 256 gigabytes, and of course, mabibili nyo to sa recommended shops natin sa Green Hills, which is J&J Gadget Shop. So this is a second-hand iPad 10th Gen, 256 gigabytes. And ang price range nito is 26 to 27,000. Pagdating naman sa 64 gigabytes, that is 20,000. And yung kanilang brand new sa pagkakaalam ko nasa 30,000 nagre-range. So yun yung price range natin or yun yung price range ng J&J Gadget Shops. XA15 yun po yung stall number nila, Ate Jelly. And before we start checking the camera quality of this iPad 10th Gen, let's see first the quick specification of this iPad. So this iPad 10th Gen was released way back on year 2022. Meron itong display na 10.9 inches liquid retina IPS LCD na merong body build na aluminum back and aluminum frame. Pagdating naman sa chipset, si iPad 10th Gen ay merong Apple A14 Bionic iPad OS 16.1 and that is upgradable to iPad OS 18.3. Pagdating naman sa camera, merong single main camera si iPad 10th Gen and that is 12 megapixel. Meron siya resolution na 4K at 60 FPS. Pagdating naman sa selfie camera, merong 12 megapixel si iPad 10th Gen. And sa video recording using the selfie camera, meron siyang 1080p resolution na merong 60 FPS. Sa storage ng ating iPad 10th Gen, meron tayong 2 variants dito. Meron tayong 64GB. Yung pinakamataas nilang storage is 256GB. Pagdating naman sa color preference ng ating iPad 10th Gen, meron tayong 4 variants. Meron tayong silver, blue, pink, and also yellow. Pagdating sa battery capacity ng ating iPad 10th Gen, meron tayong 7,606 mAh battery capacity. At pagdating sa kanyang security sensor, meron itong top-mounted fingerprint scanner. So, yun yung ating quick specification when it comes sa ating iPad 10th Gen. So, let me go ahead and proceed, guys, sharing you guys the camera of this iPad and also quick snap look lang din sa kanyang, alam niyo na, sa kanyang details. So, we have here iPad 10th Gen. As you can see, ito yung ating main camera. Ayan. Of course, siyempre, ang mga iPad, di ba, usually, landscape natin siyang ginagamit. Let me flex this iPad pa-landscape. Sa top details ng ating iPad 10th Gen, as you can see, meron tayong volume up and down button in here. Sa right side, of course, sa right side, nandito ang ating Type-C USB port for charger. Meron tayong speaker grills. And then sa bottom part, of course, andito yung ating para sa Apple Pen. Ayan. Sa left side naman, we also have another speaker grills din dito. Kasi quad yung ating speaker grills. And we have the power button, which is nandito din yung fingerprint niya. So, medyo malaki si iPad natin. Siyempre, iPad nga. So, expect nyo na malaki. So, this is iPad 10th Gen. So, impression ko sa display niya, well, actually, okay naman. Wala namang problem. Hindi siya ganun kabigat. Well, actually, pwede niyo siyang ilagay sa mga, yung handbag or shoulder bag, sorry. Shoulder bag niyo. Pwede niyo siyang ilagay sa shoulder bag niyo. Lagay natin siya sa case natin. So, nabili namin to sa J&J Gadget Shop. Since yung isang iPad namin is medyo bugbog na sa pag-i-edit din, bumili kami ng another iPad kasi dito din kami nag-i-store ng mga videos and also nag-edit for thumbnails. So, ito yung ating iPad 10th Gen. As you can see, ayan. So, we have here the settings, of course. Let's check the settings. iPad 10th Gen, 256 gigabytes. So, we also have here the battery of this. May option ka dito to turn on and turn off the battery percentage. Sa mga iPad, hindi nyo makikita yung battery health po nito. So, makikita rin nyo yung battery health ng mga iPads using 3U tools. So, we also have here Apple Pen. Ang sa Apple Pencil pala, um, advisable or ang marerecommend namin dito kasi ang magagamit lang pala dito is Apple Pen 1. I have here Apple Pen Pro but it will not, hindi siya compatible dito of course. So, this one will not work in here. You also have a lot of, meron ka dito itong Touch ID. So, we have here 000. And then, again, nasa power button here sa side na to, yung ating fingerprint or Touch ID. So, let's try. Here, just sa top right. Tap nyo lang. So, next thing is we have here the camera. So, record video, meron tayong 4K resolution at 60 FPS. Ayan, may option ka. Ayan. May option ka to set yung resolution mo when it comes sa video recording. Alright, so let's try the camera. So, ito yung ating photo. We also have here the video. Ayan na, nakikita nyo. 4K to 60 FPS. Again, to adjust the brightness of the camera, just tap the screen and then drag that sun and then upwards and downwards. Upwards and also downwards. If you want to adjust the brightness. We also have here slow-mo, time-lapse. Ayan, meron tayong time-lapse. And then we also have here square, panorama. Sa front-facing camera naman, we have here, of course, the front-facing camera. We have here photo, square, ayan. Video recording sa front-facing camera. Ayan, 1080p lang to. To 60 FPS. Ayan. So, yan yung ating camera features sa ating iPad 10 Gen. So, let me go ahead and proceed naman sharing you guys the video sample of this iPad. So, medyo nahihirapan ako. So, tatanggalin ko muna siya sa case. 4K resolution with 60 FPS. Video recording of iPad 10 Gen. So, I'm currently using my iPad. The DJI. Medyo mahirap lang talaga kasi iPad nga to at medyo, alam niyo na, parang, ang laki, ang awkward. So, ayun yung subject natin. So, nasa indoor kami, nasa loob kami ng bahay. So, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo may noise. Ayan, 2 times zoom in, 10 Gen. And then, you can zoom in the video up until 3 times zoom in. So, yan yung 3 times zoom in ng ating iPad 10 Gen. So, next naman is yung front-facing camera video recording. So, anyways pala, may option kayo to ultra-wide yung front-facing camera. Just click this one. Meron tayong yan. Ayan, makikita nyo na mag-ultra-wide na siya. So, let's try this. Video recording of iPad 10 Gen currently using the front-facing camera 1080p with 60 FPS resolution. As you can see, ay, ang ganda din pala ng quality ng iPad 10 Gen. No? Ayan po yung subject natin. May subject tayo dyan. Nasa loob tayo ng bahay, kaya medyo may noise. But, I'll be sharing you guys some videos using this iPad 10 Gen. Bukas ng umaga, magka-capture din ako ng videos. But since it's already 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. na, and nasa Sambales kami ngayon. So, ganito ang ating front-facing video recording using iPad 10 Gen. So, next thing is, let's try to capture dito sa loob ng bahay using this 10 Gen. Wala tayo subject. So, ang gagawin kong subject is yung fake plant ng aking mother. Ng aking inays. So, 1 time zoom in, and then 2 times zoom in, and then you can zoom in the photo up until 5. Ayan. And then, we also have a square. So, sa square, same lang din, up to 5 times zoom in. Ayan. So, sa square, try naman natin yung subject doon. Ay, wag nakahiga ang subject natin eh. Let's try to capture this one. My microphone. May microphone. Square. 2 times zoom in. Then, 5 times zoom in. Let's try the front-facing camera. So, let's try the front-facing camera. Using square, of course. May option ka din to turn on and turn off the flash for front-facing camera. So, let's try with flash. Medyo nakaka-OC pag may flash tapos ang laki iPad. So, let's turn off the flash and then let's try it one more time. Okay, so another picture sa ibang side naman. The ultra wide using the front facing of this iPad tension. And then the normal. And then, let's see. Let's see. Okay. May noise, of course. That is understandable. Ang ganda ng ultra-wide ng iPad, oh. Video recording of iPad 10 Gen currently using the front-facing camera 1080p with 60 FPS resolution. As you can see, ay, ang ganda din pala ng quality ng iPad 10 Gen, eh, no? Ayan po yung subject natin. Psst. May subject tayo dyan. Nasa loob tayo ng bahay, kaya medyo may noise. But, I'll be sharing you guys some videos using this iPad 10 Gen. Bukas ng umaga, magka-capture din ako ng videos. But since it's already 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. na, and nasa Zambales kami ngayon. So, ganito ang ating front-facing video recording using iPad 10 Gen. Video recording of iPad 10 Gen. So, I'm currently using my iPad, the DJI. Medyo mahirap lang talaga kasi iPad nga to at medyo, alam mo na, parang, ang laki, ang awkward. So, ayan yung subject natin. So, nasa indoor kami, nasa loob kami ng bahay. So, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo may noise. Ayan, 2 times zoom in, 10 Gen, and then you can zoom in the video up until 3 times zoom in. So that is iPad 10 Gen camera quality. Let's proceed na, or let me go ahead and proceed sharing you guys my thoughts, impression, and feedback with this iPad 10 Gen. So, sa details and display, of course, mga sis Mars, actually maganda talaga yung display and design ng ating iPad 10 Gen. Aluminum frame is actually great. Nare-resemblance ko sa kanya is yung yung iPhone 5. iPhone 5 and iPhone 5S. So, for me, this design is actually good. Pero kung titignan nyo, iPhone 5 to 5S yung kanyang design. Pero pagdating sa camera, XR. 'Di ba? So, parang pinalaki lang siya na iPhone. Pero, yun nga, if matatanong niyo ako kung ano ba yung, kung maganda ba yung quality ng camera ng iPad 10 Gen, yes, maganda po yung camera quality ng iPad 10 Gen. Again, ulitin ko lang po sa video recording and also sa pictures na nakuha ko dito, of course, sa indoor, since you can see in here na I'm not using any, ring light. Meron ako, pero as you can see, ayan lang siya, nakatutok siya doon kasi ayoko kasi nakatutok siya sa mukha ko kasi nasisilaw ako. So, parang nagre-reflect lang siya. So, yung video recording na kinuha ko kanina, makikita nyo na meron siyang noise and that is understandable since nasa indoor tayo at low light yung ating ginagamit. But, outside, of course, maglalagay din ako ng, nakita nyo naman sa sample natin, naglagay na ako ng videos and also ng pictures na maliwanag and umaga. So, as you can see, maganda talaga yung camera ng ating iPad 10 Gen. So, if you're going to ask me if mare-recommend ko ba si 10 Gen when it comes sa camera niya, yes, I can recommend this iPad 10 Gen as a budget-friendly iPad. Actually, 256 gigabytes amounting of 26 to 27,000 is actually good. Madami na din kayo, aside sa madami na kayo may store dito sa iPad na to, perfect din siya gamitin for, alam niya, for mahilig kayong manood, like Netflix, View, mag-social media. Actually, pwede nyo din siyang gamitin pang-edit eh. CapCut, yung mga nagre-reels dyan, pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang-edit, especially sa mga thumbnails nyo, pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang-edit. Kasi ginagamit din namin is iPad sa mga thumbnail and also pang-edit namin sa mga videos na like CapCut, ganun. Gumagamit din kami ng iPad. So, it actually good. Pwede din naman sa kanyang smoothness. Smooth naman ang pag-scroll ko dito sa iPad 10 Gen. Wala naman akong na-experience na any lag. Stay tuned kayo kasi sa video or sa YouTube ni J-Vlog, gagawa siya ng game test sa iPad 10 Gen. And of course, full review niya din naman yan. But this video, of course, is about camera. So, again, camera review po ito ng ating iPad 10 Gen. And iPad 10 Gen camera is actually excellent. Unlike sa ibang mga iPad na medyo madilim, this iPad is actually good since meron siyang 12 megapixel na main camera. Kaya maganda din yung camera quality niya pagdating sa kanyang, here, yung main camera niya. So, maganda to. And aside from that, if matatanong niyo naman ako about sa budget, if mako-consider ko siyang budget-friendly, again, we're talking about Apple. And this iPad, pagdating sa Apple brand, is a budget-friendly. Of course, kung gagamitin yung 26 to 27,000, i-compare nyo sa ibang Androids, yes, meron talaga, mabibili actually 2 to 3 iPad, I mean Android tablets mabibili. Pero, ang laki ng difference nila when it comes sa chipset and also pagdating sa camera. Kasi maganda yung camera ng iPad 10 Gen. Aside from that, meron din kung nalalakayan kayo sa 256 gigabytes at wala naman kayo store na, alam niyo, mga like download ng iba't ibang apps kasi kami, kaya 256 gigabytes yung binili namin since nag-store din kami dito ng mga videos. So, if you're going to ask me, Maring Ana, mare-recommend ko ba si iPad 10 Gen? Maring Ana, mare-recommend mo ba si 10 Gen within this year, 2025? Yes, I can recommend this 10 Gen within this year, 2025. Maganda po yung camera quality ni 10 Gen, maganda ang chipset ni 10 Gen, and wala naman ako na experience na lag pagdating kay 10 Gen. Maganda din siyang panonood ng videos, especially Netflix, at maganda din siya for sure pang gaming kasi napakalaki ng screen size ni 10 Gen, though medyo may makakaano kayo ng awkward since malaki yung ginagamit nyo for gaming, but that is fine. if kino-consider mo naman na gagamitin mo lang si iPad for vlogging, for edit, and also for camera, this iPad 10th Gen is still good and the camera is excellent. So that is my own feedback and also impression with this iPad 10th Gen. Again, I'm not a pro when it comes to reviewing ng tech. I'm just sharing you guys my own feedback and thoughts with this iPad 10th Gen. This is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me here on my TikTok account, astories.ugc. See you then sa ating next na vlog. Bye yours.